Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring this program to you. Today I'm going to share with you some of the different online tax filing programs that are available. I'm going to give you kind of an overview of each one so that you can figure out which one would best suit you for filing your taxes. A lot of times people worry about getting their taxes done, and I have some good news for you. There's a lot of different tax preparation software packages that will help you make your filing easier without even having to go out of your house. Most of them have a free option or a low-cost option that will help you get the job done without going to a professional tax preparer. So if your tax situation is more complicated or you're not sure about it, there's a handful of reasonably priced tax prep platforms that will help be a choice for you to get your taxes completed. So let's go ahead and take a look at a chart that I have for you. What I did was I included this chart. It is a comparison side by side of the tax software program, their paid version, the free version, federal tax, state taxes, and live support. I'll be covering just the first five. The ins and outs of each one of those. If you're interested in the other two, you can look them up and get information about those. But as you can see, they all have a free version. They all have a paid version except for Credit Karma. It's free. They do have federal taxes and state taxes. Some of them have live support and some of them do not. And I'll go over those as we go through each one. So let's go ahead and take a look at TurboTax first. TurboTax has a lot of options. Even if your tax situation is complicated or you're self-employed, it's very in-depth in asking you questions to be able to determine what you need to be putting in there for your tax returns. It's a pretty friendly user interface, and it can be completed right in your browser. If you use QuickBooks, you can connect your QuickBooks right to it. And it is known to be the best software for live personal support and live help. It does include tax articles and libraries and videos. The price for TurboTax is the free version, but it's up to $90 for federal, $40 for state, free to $170 for TurboTax Live. And then if you have additional things, you can add $45 to $60. So let's go over to the website itself so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. If you scroll down to get started, you'll get this little orange thing if you've never used it before, and you're able to use the free version. If you just click Start for free, it will start walking you through the information and asking you questions. And it makes it pretty user-friendly to be able to complete. And you can see here, here's the free edition for simple. Here's the deluxe for tax deductions and credits, investments and rental properties, $70, and self-employed is $90. So it even breaks it down further so you can see what each thing includes. So if you are interested in TurboTax, I suggest you just jump on there and see which one would be the best for you. It has a lot of tools and resources with tips and videos. They do have support there for you. They even have a community that you can ask questions in. You can use an expert to help you with the live version to walk you through the steps to file your taxes. So check out TurboTax. It's a great option that's all-inclusive to be able to do your taxes yourself. The next one is H&R Block, and H&R Block will guide you through the filing process also. You can file online or in person or download the software to your computer. There is no in-person support unless you pay for a higher tier of service. It does have library tax articles, and the pricing is the free version to $85 for federal, $37 for state, and $40 to $145 for online assist. So let's jump over there and take a look at it. Here's H&R Block, and it breaks it down by each version here. And if you were to click on it, it breaks it down even more so to help explain. They do have an app, and so does TurboTax, that you can do it right on your phone, or check it out, or be in touch with your account that way. If you decide that you don't want to do it on your own and you need a live tax pro, here is the basic online assistant, and it's $40. And you can share your screen with this person, talk to them on chat and video, and get any type of support you need to help complete your filing. And then here are some other different options that they have that help you with filing your taxes. They do have online guarantees, also with H&R Block. So if you're interested in those, you could go through these and break them down and see what each one costs, and see what options there are, and see which one suits you the best. So that was H&R Block. And then the next one is Jackson Hewitt Online. It has a simple interface. It's comprehensive. Tax articles are included. It does have a free IRS audit assistance and a worry-free guarantee plan. You can import older taxes into it. If you've filed somewhere else before, you're able to bring those in to be able to use those. They do have the free tier of service for basic returns, just like the others. But their pricing is the free to $50 for federal and $37 for state. So if we go on over there to Jackson Hewitt, this is what it looks like. One thing that they do have, it's kind of, I want to say kind of a hybrid, but what you can do is you can meet a tax pro like at Walmart. They do have a place there to file. If you just click File and Office, you just going to put the zip code in here and search for it, and it will show you where the closest office is, and I believe it's Walmart. And then you could start with drop off, meaning you could drop off your tax documents off at their office, and then you can e-sign remotely to complete it once they're ready to go. You can even hire a tax pro and do it from home to be able to finish your taxes just from home if you don't want to go out. So there are a lot of different options that you can use with Jackson Hewitt to complete your taxes. So if you're interested in something like this, without going to a different kind of office, you could go right here to Walmart and do it. Or you could do it online yourself. The next one is Taxlayer. Taxlayer provides all the forms that you need. It's a basic tax service, but you can pay for a premium service to get more assistance, but the basic is pretty basic compared to some of the other ones. They do have a free service, up to $47 for federal and $39 to do your state taxes. So let's take a look at their website. Here's Taxlayer. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, they have the different tiers here of the free one, a classic one. A premium has phone and email support plus a live chat through it. And then the self-employed one is, of course, for people who have their own business and need more information about self-employment. And these three, you do have to pay an additional fee for state taxes, but this is free for the Simply Free one. And here is more information about this. Work on your refund, give you tax breaks, it's safe and secure. So if you are interested in something like that, it is a little bit cheaper than some of the others. Check it out, go to Taxlayer and see if you like the way it works and you can do your taxes that way. And then the last one is Credit Karma. It is free software and it has a pretty user-friendly interface, and it does have audit defense. You can file your state taxes, but you have to file your federal taxes with them first. So if you're just looking to file one or the other, you have to file the federal first if you want to file the state. If you have more special cases or multiple filing from different states, you may not be able to use this because this is an absolutely free service. Some of those instances would not be covered under Credit Karma. but if you have a pretty basic return, it's all free. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like. And basically, you can click Estimate a Refund. It will prompt you to log in and then start working on your information. It is absolutely free. They do have some other features like a smart file, audit defense, max refund guarantee, and accurate calculations guarantee. So if you have also filed in the past with H&R Block, TurboTax, or Tax Act, you are able to import last year's return to use it on Credit Karma this year. So if you're looking for something fairly basic, you can file through Credit Karma Tax. I hope that this overview was helpful to you, that you could find one of these that would suit your needs. If you're looking for some more tech videos, we have plenty of them on Salem Public Library at Salem, Ohio on YouTube. Hopefully you'll find something that'll be helpful to you.